How to verify GNC products. After receiving the GNC product, first break the seal of the product. Then open it. You will see this type of packaging. Scratch the label on the product to unveil the unique authentication code. After that, take your smartphone or laptop PC, then search GNC on Google. Then go to its official website. Then click on Create Account or Sign In. Then click on Sign In. Sign in with your email address and password. Then go to this web page of GNC. In this box, enter the unique authenticate code, which is on the GNC product. Enter your email address and phone number. Then click on Authenticate Now. Then check your mobile or email address for the OTP. Enter OTP and click on Verify. If your GNC product is original, then you would see this type of result. That's it. Thanks for watching.